If you want to know how to save project on ClipChamp, you've come to the right place. So let's firstly create a new project from scratch. So I'm going to click on plus right over here. And after that, let's add some media inside of the project. For example, I want to use 2 of these videos right over here. We can easily place them on our timeline. Then we can go to, for example, music, add some music inside. And what if we basically need to interact with our project a little bit later? How can we do it? We have the solution, of course. We can easily save our project. So basically, in order to do this, we just simply need to click on the left top icon with ClipChamp, and then we can easily click on back to home. So after that, as you can see, we have the option to close it, but the system says that your files aren't synced to the cloud. So we can click on do not show this again, and then just click on continue without sync. So after that, our project will be automatically saved, and now we can easily find it from this page here. If you scroll down for a little, we can find all the existing projects right up here. So as you can see, we have this project here. We can click on more, we can make a copy or delete, but what if you click on it right up here? So after that, all this stuff will be automatically uploaded once more. And as you can see, we still have this media right up here. We have this music inside, and if you'll add some more audio or some more stuff, it will be also automatically saved and automatically uploaded. So after that, we're able to continue editing with our all the media we have, and then we can just simply click on export, choose the necessary quality, and then just export this project as a video. So basically this is the way. So once more, you don't have to click somewhere. You can easily go to click on back to home, and after that you can easily find this project right up here on the main page. So yeah, this is a way of how can we save project on ClipChamp. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.